Okay, hello guys, welcome to Excel tutorial learn. In this video, I would like to introduce about the rank function. And the last tutorial video, I talk about sum and average function in Excel. Sum function is used to totally the value between more than two cells to calculate or the additional value as a number value in each cell. And average is calculate the average mean that the medium or average function of a cell that we want to average. And in this tutorial I continue as a task, as a work from the example table of student from the last tutorial, because it can easily for you to understand how we can use or prepare the work for and for all the needs of function that you to find one task or one work in Excel sheet. Okay, in this tutorial I introduce about how we can use the rank function, and what is the rank function and how can it use the rank function, and what is easily and what is the benefit of rank function to use. Okay, in this rank function we call the classification about the score of average score of all each student. Okay, in this tutorial I only input the score of 4 students in the table, and I would like to rank in that classification about the score, who is number 1, who is number 2, and who are number 4, and by according to the grades of average. Okay, and I call the ranks to rank the score of average in the average column, and I type the rank function, and in this rank function there contain three parameters of the rank function. Okay, number 1 parameter of rank is number. Number means that the values that we want to compare to other cell of the rows that we want to rank, that we want to classification to other cell or other rows. So I would like to take this cell for represent the number that we would like to compare to other three cell of other rows. And number 2 parameter is reference. Reference means that the rank of data in cell that we want to compare. In this table I would like to compare between the cell KH of average column to other, mean that I compare to 4 cell of 4 row in this table between cell KH to cell K11. Okay, and I fix the rank of cell, because if we don't fix the cell, mean that the data will rank incorrectly for the grades for the rank classification. Okay, and then I close the parenthesis and we enter. Okay, Okay, and then if you want to know it ranked correctly or incorrectly in the order, ascending order, or we can to take to other cell. Okay, I think it is right because in the average function, in the average column, because the row number 1 that Mr. content name Mr. John average 93.25 as a number 2, 90 okay sorry 57.25 as a grade number 1, rank number 1, and 49.5 as a rank number 3, and 48.25 as a rank number 4. Okay, I think it's right because it's a classification. It rank from the average value from the maximum value as a first rank, mean that the rank grade 1. I think it is right because this is the biggest value of for cell of this average column, so it rank as a number 1. Okay, and the second is a number 2. I think because 53.25 is less than smaller or less than column of the cell of row number 3, 57.25 is greater than 53.25. Okay, I think it is right. And okay, you can do it more easily with your task if you need according to your work in each cell. Okay, thank you guys for watching this Excel video tutorial, and you can practice more and more time, because if you don't practice, you cannot test. You just only know the series of function, but you don't know exactly about how easily or what exactly that is work, and what the error that you can find. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe and like my channel for more video Excel tutorial in the next video. Thank you, and hope see you in the video.